Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is really exciting because we got two different boxes to open. I have the Sephora Play box right here that I got, and I have the 12 Days of Christmas. So let's go ahead and get everything started. Okay, the first box that we have is the Sephora Play box. I got this box for $10 on the Sephora site, and I had no idea what was going to be in it. So you can do a subscription or you can just buy it whenever you want to. So I just bought it. It comes with this 50-point Beauty Insider Points little card that you can use for Sephora, and this little map right here that tells about everything that's in the box. Okay, and it always comes in, from what I understand, these little bags. That was not good. When you hold up a bag, upside down is not the way to go. So I hope I got everything that was in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 things is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm missing one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. Okay, I got them all. Okay, so the first thing that we got is this Tarte Medium Tan Honey. I wonder if I'm that shade. Oh yeah, this is the Found Sealer, and I already have the big one, but that is just fine. A little cute little mini one won't hurt. I think that is this was a good formula. I have a video on this actually. It was one of like my first videos I've done, and I would have to do I have to do some math to figure out what the exact price of this could be, because you have to do like some good math skills on that. The second thing I got is, this is a Laneige little, and these are always like deluxe samples or little samples. That's why it's only $10. This is, let me read the back in bigger writing. A leader in the K-beauty scene for more than 20 years, Laneige steps up their skincare with hydro-ionized mineral water that delivers intense moisturization. So it's just a moisturizer. Oh, it smells good. It feels like Vaseline, I think. But this is what it looks like, a little teeny thing. And as you can see in the bottom, there's really not a lot of this in here, but anyway. The next thing I have a First Aid Beauty. Let me read this. Just like a suitcase, helps keep good things in and the bad things out. This cream helps keep moisture in and pollution and irritants and allergens out. So that's always a good thing. It's okay. I don't really like the smell, but as you can see, there's not a whole lot in there. But we can try that just to see if we like it. Apply in the morning and in the afternoon. I have to see how that works and let everybody know. The next thing we have is Biosense Tea Tree Detox Mask. That sounds interesting. Let's see. It is just like this. Just a little small. And it's sealed closed, so that's good. We'll have to see how good that is. Mixed the trash bag. I like this little play zip bag. That's really cute. in my opinion, because it can actually sit up like this. Ooh, this little bag's got to be worth something. That is so cute. Okay, so this is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. I think I have one of these already, but you see that, Dafa? That is wonderful. There's a fine line between a wing and a cat eye. That's why this marker-like tip is a stroke of genius. Yeah, I really do like this. I like those. And then I've got a Gummies with Benefits. Hair Sweet Hair for stronger, healthier hair. Now I have to be careful with things like this because I have a thyroid deficiency. And any kind of vitamins and any stuff like that affects my thyroid levels, which is very dangerous. But anyways, I'll look on the back and see if there's any iodine or anything in there, and I might give this a try. Who knows? But that is it in this little bag. There are 6 things, and the box was only $10. So I would say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I think it's worth at least the $10 or more. I'll try to look up each individual item and see how much they are and do a cost analysis type thing to see how much the box really is worth versus how much I paid for it. But that is it for that box. Now, the really exciting box, which is the 12 Days of Christmas in a row. Excuse me, 12 Days of Christmas, that's funny. 12 Days of Beauty. Woohoo! And I had a debate on whether or not to do each individual day or just do them all at the same time. But I didn't want to just get up here every day and just pull one out and say, hey, this is what it is, because that would be like 5 minutes a day. So I figured I'd just go ahead and get them all out. And we will start with number 1. Number 1 is right here. And number 2 is way over here. Let's see. Way over here. And number 3 is way back over here. And number 4 is right there. So, number 1. Let's see what number 1 is. I think one of my kids wanted to do this. Number 1 is, I should actually have a paper that says what everything is. It says it on the back. Number 1 is Essential Real Eye Cream for your face. I have an itch in my eyeball. Number 1. Oh, they've got a long description on that. I wonder how much. I don't even know how much this whole box costed. I'm gonna have to look that up. I can't remember. I was gonna look and see what it was. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. So it's just a moisturizer, in my opinion. Number 2, way over here, is, they're really hard to get out, Sexy Mother Pucker. I was going to see if it was a lip gloss or from the shade Candy Queen. And okay, lip plumping lip gloss. That is what that is. And I really like that color and that shade, so I could really use that. That's a really good one. Number 3, back over here. Number 3, avocado and almond detangling leave-in conditioner. My daughter will love that. Matter of fact, I'm fixing to go wash my hair, so I might use that. I really like that. Number 4. Oh yeah, I was trying to buy some of this just the other day. This morning, this afternoon, I used my last little bit of dry shampoo, coconut dry shampoo. I saw this on Ulta's website, I think, for something with a coconut dry shampoo. And I was going to try it. I'm glad I didn't get it. At least I got a sample so I can just try it now. Yay! 1, 4. Number 5. Looks like I'm holding a violin. Number 5 is Milani High Rated. Is it mascara? Cruelty free, I can see that. I think it's mascara. Let's see. Oh yeah. See that dofa? Yeah, I like that dofa size. Milani mascara. I got a Milani full face of first impressions makeup for you coming up. So that will help me with that. Number 6. Up here up top. Oh yeah. I've really been wanting to try this. The Native Body Wash Coconut and Vanilla. Actually, I was thinking it was the deodorant, but if I keep putting stuff on my nose, it smells really good. I really got to go order that Native underarm. That's what I thought it was, but this is actually a body wash. So when I get a shower next, I can try that out. Number 7. How about that? This is the Native deodorant, coconut and vanilla. How about that? I was just saying. Number 8. Pixie I'm having a hard time. Okay, ouch. I got it. Pixie Glow Tonic. A little sample of that. I've got the big one there. Okay, that was number 8. Now, number 9 is Queen Bella. Plumping Gold Peel-Off Mask. That's interesting. My kids will probably use that before I do. Number 10. Getting close to the end. Oh yes, yes. I know, nobody is more excited than me when it comes to dry shampoo foam, anything like that. This is Pantene Cheat Day Dry Shampoo Foam. Now, I've never really tried a foam, but I'm pretty sure that it would be just fine for me. Number 11. Oh my son. Pantene Mist Behaving Dry Conditioner Mist. How about that? That's something to try. And the very, very last is number 12. Lumen Glow Reveal Moisturizer and Hydration Recharge Overnight Cream. So these are skincares. Oh, there's a third one. Intense Hydration Moisturizer. All 3 of these. And that is it. Those were some interesting items in this 12 Days of Beauty. I don't even remember how much this cost. I'm going to have to look it up and put it on the screen for you. But everything, of course, was on the back. I didn't even see it until after I started doing the unboxing. but I will see if I can get some of these prices for you guys and put it on the screen. But that is all I have for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button and hit that little bell in the corner to get notified of all my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next one.